Minister of National Security Robert Montague is calling for national consensus in the fight against crime. His appeal comes just days away from the installation of a new police commissioner. But even as Major General Anthony Anderson will begin his new role as top cop Monday, Mr. Montague wants nationwide support in dealing with the issue of crime. He was speaking at the groundbreaking ceremony for the Buff Bay Police Station in Portland on Friday.
A country divided in the fight against crime. It's a concern of the Minister of National Security, Robert Montague, who is of the view that Jamaica stands a better chance of dealing with the crime scourge if there is unity.
When a criminal is going to break a house, them don't ask if you're fat or if you're slim, if you're tall or if you're short, if you're a laborite, if you're a PNP. Them just want to broke your house for thief your things. And good people must come together so that there is no space between good people for the criminals to operate.
He also wants an end to the politicization of crime.
I dream of a day when in this country, when we change administrations, if one party was doing something good, for God's sake, we don't have to stop it. We must build upon the foundation that the other party has built.
Mr. Montague says he's taken note of the presentation made by opposition leader Dr. Peter Phillips in his contribution to the budget debate this week, stating that he was pleased.
He placed on the table suggestions and an agreement how to treat with national security, and I lift my hat to Dr. Peter Phillips. We can all disagree on one or 2 points. But in my view, national security, education, and justice are areas that we must have national consensus and agreement.
The National Security Minister was speaking at the groundbreaking ceremony for the Buff Bay Police Station in Portland. The project will be financed by the National Housing Trust at a cost of $50 million. In the coming months, the NHT will construct, repair, or refurbish 100 police stations across the country. Between $20 and $60 million will be spent on each facility. Jeline Pearson, TVJ News.